Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this vlog is a random weekend vlog as I usually do. So it's Saturday today and I got done with my Saturday ritual, which is going to the temple, and now I'll be having food. So today's plan is attending my college mates engagement. I cannot believe it that I am in my mid 20s already where I'll be attending my classmates wedding. It's just unreal. I mean, how fast have we grown up? It's I still cannot process it. One of my friend from school got married in December, but I could not attend his wedding because I was out of Goa that time. I was in Kerala. But I'm going for one of my college mates engagement today. And yeah, I'm like so excited and happy for her because from gossiping about boys to now seeing her get engaged kind of makes me a bit emotional, but I'm like really happy for her. Her name is Sana. And yeah, now I'll have food and I'll see you all after that. Hi guys, so I'm done with my food and everything. I got this Hoko ice cream. Okay, this ice cream, I don't know if you all know it, but they are Amchi ice cream, which looks exactly like a mango and tastes almost similar to mango. Had gone viral in last year, and even this one ice cream had gone viral. This is their cone, and I'm going to try it now. Let's see how it tastes. This is how it looks like. Oh, such a cute packaging it has. Okay. I think I used to have these kind of ice creams when I was small, and after a long time I'm seeing this, and how do I open it? So this is how it looks like, and it actually has cashew, as you can see. Oops, it has cashew on top and it's chocolate. The one which I bought is the nutty chocolate. Okay, I got a plate because I don't want to spill this all over on the ground. And the first bite, this cost 90 rupees, guys. 90 rupees. Okay, let's see. Mmm. Nice. I like it. Hi guys, so I am almost ready to go for the engagement, but एक मसला हो गया है. I used setting spray right after I applied my foundation, because of which now actually I have all small patches here on my forehead because I used that stupid setting spray. So now I'm trying to fix it. I took my cleansing oil on this and I'm just trying to fix it. I hope it fixes. Why? Okay, so let me just wash this patch and come, because it looks very cakey and I don't know if y'all can see it. Just let's see, wait. Okay, so I have cleared this patch here. I use this Centella cleansing oil and I just cleared it out and then I washed it. I just hope that it doesn't have any effect on my skin because I have no patience to redo my makeup again. And now I'm just going to apply my moisturizer, primer, and I'm going to put foundation. Let's see if that works, because I can you all see this patch, this line here? There's no foundation here. It's cleansed properly, but let's see. Okay, I did it and it's fixed for now, at least. But my makeup has become very cakey today, so I'm just trying to fix it using this blender because the brushes are trying to make it more worse. So that's why I just why this has to happen only when you are in a hurry all the time. I don't know. What am I supposed to do now? Oh yeah, fix my eyebrows. Fixing my eyebrows. So if you all have unsteady eyebrows like mine, which are not ever in place, I mean they're just there in place when I try to fix them, comb them, but they never stay in place. They always move up, down, up, down. I just discovered this one gel which is called Elf Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This product is so good, like so good. So if y'all have unstable eyebrows like mine, then y'all can definitely use this. Try to set your eyebrows first. Just brush and just shape them like that, and then maybe y'all can fill up the gaps in the eyebrows. But this gel helps, so y'all can buy this. Nykaa, I think, has a sale going on right now. If this video goes on time, then maybe y'all can purchase it from Nykaa. And yeah, very useful. Stuck in such bad traffic right now. Actually, I don't understand why people have made two lines here. This line has to come this side when you go ahead because it's closed there on the right side. And I don't understand why people always do this. And because they come in between, this becomes more slower. It's so annoying. Zero civic sense, zero. Hi guys, so I have finally made it out of traffic, but I'm waiting here because Sweezel is coming on her bike and I don't know how she will cross that traffic. We are going together. So yeah, let's see what time we reach. It's already 8 o'clock. How are you? Wait. Look who is here after ages. Hi. Let's go. Yeah, we are actually doing.
गुलाब नहीं मिला तो दो गुलाबी.
Yeah. You are in traffic, no?
Yes.
It's worst. It's worst, guys. So let's go. Okay, I wanted to ask you, how are you feeling about this transition in our lives from being kids to now being adults in our mid-20s? Yeah, to attending weddings.
Too fast, too quick.
Okay.
But I don't know. I cried. If you get married, bro, I'm gonna cry.
Bro, I swear to God, now while coming, I just had that thought, okay, random thought that you're coming and telling me that you're getting married. I had tears in my, I'm not even lying. I had tears in my eyes. I mean, we have gone through that time, gossiping about guys.
I swear. But the thing is, I think we should be less stressing, which we can't. And yeah, enjoy.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Can't believe that we are attending our classmates' engagement wedding.
Don't make me nervous. Yeah, I'll start crying.
No, don't. Okay, guys, we are going inside and I'm going to show you all the entire program. No, not program. Engagement.
Ceremony.
Yeah. Ceremony, yes. Correct. Fit check, guys. 12.
So two gulabis?
Yeah, we are two gulabis. What did you do? I made ice cream.
Sangat Kasar after having dum biryani.
You're forgetting me to have ice cream. Craving satisfied.
Yeah, satisfied.
It's time to say bye to Sweezer. Samosa bhi kind of.
Women might have a bigger bag or smaller bag, but they never find their
Yeah.
things.
See,
Or found.
found. Okay, Sweezer. I miss you.
I miss you too. Get married
When
soon. So I can come for function. Today we enjoyed.
Yeah, we did. After a long time, right?
Yeah.
After a long time.
We had Dalyan. We had dum biryani.
Dum biryani.
We had ice cream from Baskin Robbins.
Yeah.
You chose what? Tender coconut?
Yeah. And you had?
A chocolate mousse.
Yeah. And?
My accent is changing. I'm going. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for the
see
job.
you.
Bye bye.
See you soon.
Please
Soon,
follow,
very soon.
like, share,
Share,
subscribe, comment. Make my darling girl grow.
Thank you.
I remember it was in what 2021 we had become friends, and she had followers like 19-18K, and she was like, I want to grow. And today I see her Instagram, I'm so proud of this girl.
Love you.
Love you too. Keep growing and God bless you.
Thank you.
Please follow my friend. I love you. Mwah. Bye.
Bye. Good night. Hi guys, it's the next day and I am all dressed up right now because I am going to Mapsa. First I'll be going to the temple, Bodgini temple, and then I have a few restaurant collaborations which I have to complete. Secondly, in the second half, I have to visit Sarabi. I have a collaboration there and I'm super excited because it's like the newly recent viral restaurant, so I'm excited to see because I had seen some pictures and videos of that restaurant and it looks fab. So yeah, let's go. This is the Kortalim road, right? And I'm not even kidding, but every time I come from this road now, especially when I'm getting late, there always has to be traffic because of the trucks, like that, every time. Why God, why? It's annoying, I'm telling you, it's just so annoying. And because you cannot overtake here, at least I don't, try to, because it's kind of risky. There are all turns and turns here, so I just don't try to overtake unless I'm sure that there is no car coming from front. But why? I'm getting late already. I have changed and now we are on the way to Vengula for Malvan food. Malvani food. Yeah. Hi guys, so we have come on a dam, but I wanted to show you something. Now it's almost summer and the cashews are started to grow and I'm so excited. This makes me so excited to see it. I'll show you all. So this is how they start growing. Okay, so many. This is how it grows, and then this part grows into a fruit and then the cashew seed. So there are like so many here. So many. Vlogger bro, vlogger. For a reason. Change in plan guys. The water is all dried up and there is no water. There are no people there. So we are not going there. And even I'm wearing heels, so I might fall. No risk. This is so tasty. So we came to this restaurant in Vengurla which is called wait, I'll tell you all what it is called, but it has good thali and good fish also. Not very costly. The taste was very amazing. So if y'all are in Vengurla, then y'all can come here. Okay, so the restaurant's name is Redkar Bhojnalay Bhandu. It's in Vengurla. So if y'all are coming here, then y'all can definitely try food here. They are thali, chicken thali. We had chicken thali and prawns thali. Both were really amazing. The curries were like too good. And yeah, it's not very costly also. The ambience is not that great, but it's okay to come and sit here and have food. She's so happy. Welcome to Sarabi. I'm so sorry I could not do the outro of this video last night as I came home and I was very tired, so I slept. Okay, so it was a good weekend overall. I did enjoy a lot, but what I like the most is my visit to this newly opened restaurant in Vagator, which is called Sarabi. It's awesome. The interiors, the vibe of that place is so cool. Like, if you all come to Goa, then you all should definitely visit it. I don't know how much their cover charges. I think 4,000 per person. I'll have to check, but I'm not sure about it. And the place is crazy. The food was amazing. We had some squids, prawns. The dessert was so yum, so freaking yum. Even the cocktails, mocktails. We had a pizza also, which was good. Talking about Sarabi, I think Sarabi is inspired from this movie character in The Lion's King. Sarabi was actually Mufasa's mother, is what I think. I think I'd read on their official page. But yeah, the place was really crazy. Okay, I've never seen such interior and that entire design. You know, it gives you that feeling as if you are in some lion's den, and you know, Egyptian vibes, mixture of both. There was outdoor sitting, and you have nice pond area where there's the outdoor sitting and also the indoor sitting. But when we went, I had gone at around 6 o'clock, but I came to know that the indoor and the outdoor sittings are open only after 7 p.m. We reached at around 6:15 something, and it was sunset time, so we sat on the rooftop, which was not bad because it was the sunset time, so we did enjoy. Yeah, if you all come to Goa, then I would recommend you all to visit this place, Sarabi. It's in Vagator near the hilltop area. That's it for this vlog. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.